guys, so in today's video, we're gonna be creating this shadow car. Yeah, I actually made some stickers on it inside, which are really found so many stickers like in shops and other stuff, and I literally didn't see a single one with shadows, so that's why I made my own stickers. So yeah, I made it black since I think it's a really cool design for a car like this, and you can make it any other color you want and add stickers for anything you want. I also added this thing on top and the hood. So yeah guys, basically let's get started building this awesome car, and yeah, these are all the parts we're gonna need. So how to build this part? Well, it's kind of as you can see, just like 2 layers of, let me show you, 2 by 4 plates, and you have 2 layers. So you connect it to a 4 by 1 plank, and you have these 2 things. I don't know how they're called, but as you can see, they're 2 by 2, and they have these like hills on them. Then you just do this, and you have this like miniature, you know what, and yeah, then the next part, which I think is kind of nasty, you need 2 turbo engines, then you need 1 by 6 by 2 plank, and you just do this, you have it, and then you just take a break and add 1 of these 4 by 1. So then you just connect them together this way, so you have like this floor on it, just a metal. And now guys, I think this is really is. Yeah, just take 6 by, oh no, it's a 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 by 8 plank, and right in the middle of it, you just smack this, this thing with, rods sticking out of it. Yeah, wait till we change it, I think. Okay, good. So now we can finally assemble this part, which is gonna be something like this. Yeah, to be honest with you guys, oh my gosh. Yeah, it's not this easy to create this car. After this, you create this piece, which requires you. I use these blocks with, like this pattern of sticking out hills. Yeah, but you can even use a normal just 2 by 1 brick. Then you just add a 2 by 1 plate, and you make another one like that. Then you take a windshield, especially it has to be blue like this one. So yeah, it would be perfect if you have. If you have a windshield like this, let me just get this. Okay, yeah, here we go. And this is basically just, this is basically just a piece which has 2 by 1, 4 by 1 plank, and 6 by 1, and they're all connected together like this. I hope you guys can find something like this, but if you can, you just simply use a 6 by 6 platform. Yeah, it would be better. And now guys, just connect a 2 by 2 platform there, 1 by 4 plank, so you have something like this. Then you take a 6 by 4 platform, connect it together, and add the windshield right on top, right underneath the 4 by 1 plank with plate. So we have something like this. After that, you need an 8 by 2 piece like this and a 6 by 2, connect them together, so we get a staircase kind of like. Yeah, then you add a 6 by 4 plank like this, and yeah. This is just this part. I think it was, yeah, it was like this. So go, I remember it. Now guys, we need to create something like this. So yeah, we don't actually use a normal seat. So yeah, I actually have a black seat. It's just so rare. I spent about 3 hours trying to find a black seat. Then guys, you have something like this, also really rare. So yeah, then you just take, oh my gosh, what's this? 6 by 8 platform. Yeah, I can just remove what I have here. So you see a 6 by 8 platform right now, and you have a brick. You just place a brick here, place this seat right on the edge, and add this weird thing right here. So where's the driver? Hello guys, my name is Steve. I'm from the Minecraft movie. Yeah, so you place him like this, not like this, because yeah, like this he won't fit. You just do this, and after that you put in the steering wheel and put in your driver John or what the reason name. And then yeah, just like this, you add 2 by 1 bricks on the edges. Yeah, after that you just add 2 walls like this. So you have to add a sticker on a wall, and it's gonna be an 8 by 1 brick and 8 by 1 platform. 8 by 1 pole. Oh my gosh. Okay, whatever. 8 by 1 strip. So yeah, and after this you take weird hinge, okay, I guess, yeah. So like this, then you just basically like that, and as you can see, shadow. Oh god, oh my god, Lego star, bro. Oh my my gosh, I just need 2 walls like this and bam, you're done. Now we don't need a one shoulder, just a stroke. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so now we've created it, and yeah, I have to. Which would be windshield. It took me about 2 hours. Just kidding, just took me 1 second. And yeah, just like this, guys, we have something that also looks like the Back to the Future capsule. So yeah, now guys, I don't think we actually made this together, so let me just show you real quick what we have to do. Okay, yes, we go 4x1 planks. Connect them to a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to a 10 by 2 plank, and yeah, we have to go with 3 dots on each side. So yeah, just like this. Then they take basically like, ow. Yeah, you take 2 planks, 4 by 1. You connect them together. Then you add them to a 4 by 2 plank, just like this. Then you do this, basically another 4 by 2 plank like that, and somehow like this. Oh yeah. And connect them. So as you can see, this piece comes to this piece. As you can see, we have a little like staircase here. Yeah, pretty cool. Then you actually need some wheels. Yeah, pair of wheels. You can have them like this to. Yeah, you can have them like this to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 6, 9, 12 by 2. Like with 2 dots from one side. So yeah, you create basically like a 2 by 2 platform here. Yeah, after this you just connect the no, you do this, so you have basically 3 dots, not 2, since that way if oh yeah, you can't actually connect them. As you can see, we have literally a 3 by 2 here, and I'm trying to connect it, but it couldn't connect. So the only way you do it is just like this. Now we have it, and also we have to make the engine. And yeah, you use one platform like this, connect it, add a sticker, then add a 4 by 2 right in the middle of it. Oh no! Yeah, I have to actually remake the sticker. Oh god. Yeah. But never mind, we're just gonna add this 4 by 2 right in the middle of it. Bam, done. So now as you can see, it's a big sticker here. Now guys, all I have to do is connect this piece right. I hope you can see that. Oh my gosh! Yeah, I said this got 1 piece, so it's the previous part of my bro. Get in, but why do you want to get out of it? Bro, so hard, says Steve, the minifigure. Okay, come on. Well, here just turn on. Oh my gosh, okay, if it's hot in here, just turn on the conditioner, okay, guys? Yeah, I'm talking to John right now. Oh, what's his name? Oh, yeah, Steve. Okay, right now, guys, we have, oh my gosh, I thought it was it, but we have to connect a sticker. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna use my super fast. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I think it works. Yeah, now, guys, we have Shadow. No, it didn't work. Goodbye. I'm gonna swim a car right now. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, I got it at the right moment. Oh gosh, crash test. Yeah, guys, now as you can see, this is what we got, and yeah, you could actually make it any car you want. It's pretty cool, and yeah, I have to say, it's one of the best models I've ever had. So yeah, the next video, guys, I will make a really cool and a car with big wheels, and it'll be really cool, and it will even have a nerve gun on board. So guys, stay tuned to find out what's gonna be the next car. Bye bye.